Welcome to my channel.
Back to my channel.
Welcome guys to my YouTube channel.
Welcome back to my channel.
It's been a while.
You're becoming a YouTuber.
Let's get to it. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Keren, and if you're new here, welcome. Please make sure to like, comment and to subscribe to my channel if you are new here, because we love to have new people around. So yeah, if you love this look, if you love what you are seeing, then please continue on to the next video, because I'm going to show you how I achieved this eyeshadow look, sister. Baby girl. So I ordered the P.Louise concealer in the shade Rumor number 3, and yeah, I decided to do a little review on it. Oh, my hair's a bit messy. Yeah, so I decided to do a little review on it. This is how it looks. It's very small, but it's very beautiful. I love the packaging. So this is the packaging, and it's gold. Yeah, so I'm gonna do a little eyeshadow tutorial using Rumor 3, and obviously, yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure to like, comment and to subscribe to my video, of course. You know what it is, yeah, so make sure to like, comment and to subscribe to my video. If you're new, once again, welcome to my channel, and I hope I continue to have you watching my videos, you know, whenever. We'll see. But yeah, welcome to my channel. Stay tuned for this tutorial. I'm gonna catch you guys later. Bye. Now I am applying the P.Louise concealer on my eyelids. Okay, so it matches my my concealer actually that I use for my eyebrows, so that's good, because I wasn't really sure what shade I was. I had to do research. Always do research when it comes to makeup, so that you know what skin tone and whatever, like, you know your skin tone, you know your shade. Yeah, that's what I would recommend. So I'm applying the concealer on my eyelids, but it might go all the way to my eyebrows. It doesn't matter, because all I've done so far is literally I've just blended the concealer on my eyebrows. I haven't added powder or anything to set the concealer, so that's fine. Okay, I look crazy right now. I look crazy, really crazy. So now I am literally blending the concealer like that. Yeah, so I'm literally just blending the concealer on my eyelids like that. Remember guys, make sure that your beauty blender is damp. When it's damp, you're able to blend concealers, foundations. You're able to blend it seamlessly well. Let's get rid of this shit. Okay. I'm literally gonna, in circular motions, apply the orange. Okay. So as you can see, I've applied the orange and it hasn't actually done me bad so far. So actually doing okay. Like you can see the color popping through, so it's not that bad. Yeah, you can actually see the orange. Literally just pressing it into my eyelids before I apply eyeshadow. This is just to set concealer and avoiding it from creasing. Okay, every time you use concealer, make sure you tap off any excess. And I am literally going to blend in that yellow in circular motions. Yeah. So as you can see, I'm blending in the yellow. So I'm patting it into my eye like that, and then I'm going to like blend it in circular motions like that. Okay, so I don't know if because I apply powder over the P.Louise that cut crease here. Like I should have done. Oh well, we move. Right there. I'm gonna use this brush right here, and I'm going to gently blend it all together. Okay, so after using this concealer, this base, what I loved about it was the fact that it was very nicely textured. So applying it was actually very easy, and blending it with a beauty blender was very easy as well. What I did was I blended it with a beauty blender, then I set the concealer with one of my pressed powders, which was the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Fit Me powder in 350. That's what I used to set my my concealer before applying the eyeshadow now. But I feel like I'm gonna try and do eyeshadow looks without setting the concealer and see how it goes, because I feel like because I set the concealer, colors are not bold as I wanted it to be, but because this is a nice subtle look and it goes really well with my lipstick, I'm satisfied with it. This was a very good concealer. I actually recommend it. I'm gonna give this concealer base an 8 out of 10 because I haven't tried it without setting it with a bit with powder. Okay everyone, so that's the end of today's look. If you love what you see, give it a thumbs up. This is the look I'm going for. I feel like this look goes really well with my outfit. I'm wearing white and cream, and I added some oranges, some creams, some white, and like a nice dark coloured lip. So yeah, it's the end of my tutorial, eyeshadow tutorial. So yeah, make sure to like, comment and to subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back. See ya.